All right, gang, I want to show off something that we picked up at our house. We are an art family. At least my kids are artists. They love drawing, they love coloring, they love creating. My son's into creating his own comic books that he absolutely loves. My daughter does painting and things like that. So they're constantly looking for different mediums and different markers and things that they can use. And one of the things we've gotten recently that they did love is these actual Chalkola chalk markers. Now they were the bigger ones that we got, and they loved the colors of them, the vibrancy of them. They loved how they worked and the feel and the texture it gave them. So we just now, literally just picked up these 30 fine point ones by Chalkola. They're the same as the bigger ones, except they come in a very fine tip here. This is a 1 millimeter thick tip, and they work the exact same way. It's the retractable tip with the chalk-based ink on the inside of these. So you do have to prime them. You do have to charge them before use. I picked the white one, which does not help you at all in this. Let's grab, here's the orange one. But for instance, once you get it, oh, this one's a good one, it's already primed. Once you get it primed, the ink flows very freely. You can see, right here, flows very freely, looks really good no matter what you do with these. And if you need a little bit more ink, if they don't seem to be working quite right, all you gotta do is prime it a little bit and they come right out. There are 30 included with this particular set of colors, and they've even got a color chart on the back so you know what you're getting, what colors you have, what you're looking for. And they come in a lot of colors maybe that you wouldn't expect. There is a black in here, there is a white that you can use for highlighting and different things like that. My kids really appreciated that in some of their artwork because you don't always find a white marker, but these chalk markers, you're able to do that. And so if you have some artists in your family, or you yourself are an artist and looking for something a little different to do some artwork with, maybe you should check these out. These are chalk markers. They are made by Chalkola. Great quality. Absolutely love them. Give them a try.